Hello, Babita. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well, sir. Thanks for asking. How about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you so much. And very first, allow me to introduce myself, and then we can discuss further. So, my name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Surat, and I'm working in a IT company as a team leader of website department. And nowadays, I'm also trying to increase my English fluency as well. Okay.
Yeah, that's very
Yes.
wonderful. Great to hear about you. Okay, so let me tell you my introduction as well, sir. Yeah. So my name is Babita. I'm calling you from Gorakhpur. About my education, I have done graduation with English. I did PG, I did BA, and also qualified CTET, UPTET. Apart from that, I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm also running YouTube channel. It's been 8 months. Because of learning purpose, I created my YouTube channel, and along with, I'm a mother of two kids. If I talk
Oh.
about my, yeah, I love singing yoga, and nowadays I'm very fond of talking with the people. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah, welcome. Sounds good. So, very first, I am, as you were asking me, I'm a YouTuber. So, from yesterday only, I have started my channel. So, everything on YouTube and video related, everything is new for me. So, yeah, nowadays, I am trying to, as I said, enhancing my fluency in English. So, you know what, English is quite important for me because as I said, I'm a team leader of the particular department. I need to present many offline meetings with the client of my company. So I felt like I am not impacting particular impression while conducting the session. So that's why I thought if I can connect before attending my session with the client, if I can connect with the stranger, so my fear of speech as well as I many things I can improve by doing these kind of things. Okay, that's why I am connecting with the different people.
Yes, certainly you can improve just by this doing this kind of activity, right? Every people are they are improving this kind of doing activity, so we can improve, right? There is no doubt. So, sir, how long have you been learning English?
Uh, Very first, there is not any particular time. To be very honest, I am learning English from more than 6 to 8 months, but not consistently. I am learning when I feeling low. For example, if I am in the meeting with the customer, so if I felt like my meeting was not good in according to me, so at that time I am starting to learning English, and then I am watching the different YouTubers and podcast, live conversation things, and how to create positive impact while taking presentation. So. To be very honest, everything is all about the temporary period. When I am feeling boost, so again I am stopped to learning English, and again it's a long gap between learning, and then see again if I felt down, so again I am start to learning. So there is no any consistency, to be very honest. So now I felt I need to consistent on this language. After that I can expect the result by myself.
Yes, definitely. If you are doing your work ceaselessly, like continuously, so definitely you can see the drastically change in your speaking, right? So you have to talk with the people every single day without skipping. Then only we can see very positive results for it. Otherwise, we
Yeah.
can't. Yes, right.
Yes. And yeah, I have set one target like within next 3 to 4 months at least I can be fluent with the language, and I am expecting with myself uh, with the fluency as well as confident and English style and accent I needs to improve.
Yeah, so it means you have made a resolute for yourself to learn this language, right? Yeah, that's really wonderful, great. If we have any kind of resolute in our life to do any kind of work, so certainly we can do, right? Because that work is going on in our head all the time. No, I have to do anyhow and at any cost we have to do. So we are ready for this, right? Yeah,
I
and you have
totally
environment, right? because you are going to talk with your client this language with this language, right? So you have the good, a very good environment, I can say. So you will definitely learn very soon, right?
And you know what? Obviously, in my working era, I am only discussing with the customer about the technical parts or my work related. So in that area, I'm quite enough good. Okay, but after the meeting, if we are communicating with the client with the other aspects or particular random topic which I am not this which is not a part of my technical terms, so I am not communicating properly with them, you know. So
Yes.
about the technical parts, I'm talking with them very fluently and fast. But then when any random topic come up, so I'm totally blank and not able to even asking uh, more than 1 and 2 minutes. You are
Hmm.
getting?
Because of our lack of confidence and lack of knowledge, we can say we are not going to do it right for that topic, particular topic, right? Yeah, it happens with everyone, I can say, because it's our secondary language, right? So we can feel sometimes nervous, hesitant, fear. We have a lot this kind of like negative thought in our head, right? So I think we don't need to think about a negative thought in our mind, right? Because it's a language, not a subject, so we can learn like gradually, not in a faster way, right? So everything, if you are doing like with consistency, with determination, so you will grab all the things like little by little in our life, right?
Yeah, you are. And if I talk about your goal or what is the purpose to learn this language of to you, so what do you say?
For me, sir, there is many reason behind it. I want to become a government teacher, right? I also want to give a better education to my children, right? And also improve my English because it was my passion when I was in the college. That time I used to think I wish I could learn this language anyhow. That there was a time one sir was there and he was speaking so good English like this. He was trying to make us understand understand, right? But yes, after getting married, when I went my children's school in the PTM, so that time I was observing every teacher were trying to talk with parents in English language. Most of the time they were using English, right? So that time I thought, yeah, English is very very requirement to speak in our day to day life, right? So I started my journey, and also I was preparing previous examination before 1.5 year ago, right? So that time we need to give any interview in English language, right? So I had a lot of reason behind it in my past. So that's why I'm learning. And because of, yeah, I have been learning this language approximately 13 months, for 13 months ago, right? And I started my journey. Then now I am feeling comfortable in it because now I have a little bit word to speak, to convey my thought in front of other people. Yeah, earlier it was not my cup of tea because I had a lot of fear, agitation, embarrassment to talk with people. And that was the reason I didn't want to talk. I didn't want to face people. I used to sigh, right? So now, after acquiring little bit knowledge about English language, I am comfortable to talk with the people. Yes.
Okay. So as you said, 13 months ago, you have started to learning the English. So may I know, have you enroll any particular course or you have taken any classes before entering in this journey or via any online platform you have start to learn?
Yes, sir. I had taken one course, and that was named Owl's Entry App, right? Owl's Entry App course, right? And it was 3 months course, right? But that time I couldn't speak English language, right? So I thought if you are able to speak English, then only any course is going to help you. Otherwise, any course is not going to help you, right? Because if you're not able to express your thought in English language, so it is not going to good for you, right? So that time I was unable to convey my thought. I was no, unable to talk with the people, right? But yes, I can say there I knew how to talk with the people, how to convey our thoughts. So after 3 months, after completion my course, I found one result from there, right? But that result only for, yeah, seeing, yeah, I have result, right? But I was unable to speak in English, right? Then I decided by myself, no, I have to do something different, because I had completed my course. Even then, I'm not able to express my thought in English language. Then I started to do many things like mirror technique, think in English, talk to myself, and talking with the people. Right, one of my friend there I found, she's online, and every day we are trying to talk to each other. It is audio call every single day, right? And also, I used to listen a lot. Still, I'm listening every single day without. I'm a homemaker, so I busy in the kitchen most of the time. So I try to listen whatever I'm going to listen. Only English content I listen, and whatever I'm listening, listen it attentively. So this activity is are helping me a lot. So I'm using this kind of activity, and this is my journey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Amazing. So before 13 months ago, have you also decided particular stage like within this particular timeline, I have to achieve myself in this position, or anything you have decided, or maybe after completion of 13 months, did you achieve that kind of target, or still that particular things are still you have to achieve?
Yes, sir. I have achieved a lot, right, in this language, because I was unable even one word in English. Although English was my subject, but that time I used to think English is a subject, not a language, right? So that this was the reason I was unable to speak, right? So I would say I improved a lot, right? Because 1 year ago, 13 months ago, I was unable to deliver my thought in front of anybody. I had a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, right? So I can say my because of my practicing and consistency, I am able to speak now.
Amazing. Yeah, sounds good. All right. Yeah, yeah. Anything else if you want to talk with me, or any question you want to ask, you can.
Okay. So, sir, if you have any particular activity like to improve your English, I mean, which kind of activity you are doing for improving your English? So, tell me just.
Definitely. Very first, I am very much interested to do that kind of activities which are the result oriented. Okay, not only for the formality purpose or for the theoretical. Okay, so this is the thing, and based on that, I am start to doing the live call conversation, because even in my case I'm not too much interested to talk on audio, because I'm not even touch with the second person until I will not connect with the eye contacts. I am not feeling well, and I'm not able to proper communicate with them. Okay, so this is the thing as of now under me. So yeah, I was saying that video conversation is making quite positive impact in my English journey. And second thing is that with the stranger talking on the random topic. Okay, so you know what, we are not properly knowing with the second person, even we don't know within next second what they will ask the question. Okay, so everything is challenging, because if second person is asking the question, so we have to filter in our mind, and within a second we have to reply in the English language. Okay, so everything is filtering. Okay, so very quickly we have to answer them, so this is quite challenging, and for me it's a very good thing, and it's a result oriented thing. So this is the one thing which I am thinking that, like, for now, This is a result oriented thing.
Yeah, right. Because we are doing it practically, right? And just
Exactly.
like a prompt, we have to reply them, right? And like if any kind of come across answer, so you have to just like deliver your thought in front of them, right? It is very quite good, right? Because if you are going to talk with randomly topic, right? So it would be better for learning, right?
You are
Yeah.
right.
Okay, sir. So I think
Yeah, all
we
right.
should.
For now, we can wind up, and it was really nice to talk with you. And quite couple of new things I came to know from your side, so I appreciate to share that information with me.
Thank you, sir. I'm also
All
feeling
right.
in the same way, and it was really very great conversation with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good time. Bye.